Today we're going to be going over the top 5 tips to make a great first impression and build a strong rapport with your students from the first moment that they walk in the classroom. Before we start, I'd like you to think about your favorite teachers in the past. Were they approachable, friendly, and non-authoritative? It's great to carry on the attributes that we admire in other teachers for our benefit as well as students. Were they humorous and a little bit quirky? If so, maybe you'd like to incorporate some anecdotes or appropriate jokes in your first lecture. Were they caring, knowledgeable, and trustworthy? If so, maybe you want to arrive 15 minutes earlier to share your summer experiences, ask questions, and answer any other extra questions your new students may have. Here are the top 5 simple tips that you can use in your first introduction class to build a great connection. Number 1, arrive early. John Wooden said, "Being a role model is the most powerful form of educating." An anonymous person said, "My role model didn't tell me, he showed me." I think role models are really powerful because they show us instead of tell us what to do. With that being said, if you arrive early, you not only have more time to prepare, but you set an awesome example to students on how to behave professionally. You also create a better means for connection because you have more time to connect with your students. Remember, when you're on time, you're only breeding more respect between you and your students. Number 2, be prepared and troubleshoot ahead of time. It's known that technology can and will go awry when you least expect it. It's super important to set yourself up for success and troubleshoot anything from logins, presentations, and projectors. When you prepare ahead of time and troubleshoot technology, you are not only creating a smoother class and a great first introduction, but you are also improving your confidence and setting yourself up to create a relaxed atmosphere and very happy students. Number 3, be yourself and do be open and friendly. Remember, no one else is you, and that is your greatest power. I really appreciate it when a student is personable and talks about their favorite sports teams, what they did over the summer, or any hobbies or interests they may have. It breaks down the wall between authority and student, and it ultimately creates a better relaxed means to learn from. Number 4, remember your students. As a student, this goes a really long way for me. I really appreciate it when a teacher remembers me by name. It's true that the sound of your own name is one of the sweetest sounds. Everyone loves their own name. If you'd like to go above and beyond, try to remember a few key important facts about students. You can write them down even if you'd like to. Number 5, have fun with an icebreaker. Icebreakers are a really great way to turn wary students into feeling comfortable with their peers and their teacher. It's also a great way to relax the atmosphere. It's proven that icebreakers transform what could be a dull experience into a memorable experience that they'll remember from. Think 2 truths, 1 lie. If you had a magic wand. What are your expectations? Or you can even use a game like Jenga. They're exciting, fun, engaging, focus building, and they create positive memories. With these tips, you will surely create more respect between you and your students, create long-lasting memories, and you will ultimately create a great connection that will set the tone for the rest of the year. Thanks for watching and good luck in the future semester.